As you can see, we have got all the stickers off and started sanding it. Looks like somebody just sat back and threw rocks at this thing back in the day. Had little nicks and chips all in the paint. As you can see some here. I'm going to try to get all of that smooth before I paint it, because we're going to go with some kind of color changing paint. We're going to put some orange, some yellow, possibly some blue or purple, maybe some white. This is going to be a very custom paint job. My wife is remaking the stickers to have the original look on the stickers, but it's slowly coming. Stay tuned for part 3.